Edgecombe. This is my compositional addition to the Practicing Practitioner. Now, I already had a composition based on the value of phi, the golden ratio, and it worked around Fibonacci sequence. What I've done this time is I've taken the value of tau, and rather than translating it to base 8 for the octave, I put it in base 12 for the 12 notes of the chromatic scale. So I'm going to play this on the A string, open A being 0, and each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the value of tau is, at least in base 12, 6.34941, etc. So I'm going to play that through now. That's essentially it, and that's how I'm going to begin my composition. And it's going to develop through value of tau. It's going to be in 3/4 and at a tempo of 144 beats per minute. Each note is going to be a crotchet long, so that within 25 seconds you will have heard 5 dozen notes, and I'm going to play them in sets of 4 bars, a dozen notes each. For the first 8 bars will sound something like this. My last composition was based on phi, the golden ratio, which I printed here in base 8. I played it with the 8 notes of the scale of F sharp major. So F sharp itself being 1 and the octave being 0. So I played Fibonacci sequence, but I played the 8th Pisano period, which is pi by 8 is 12. So beginning with 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 0, 5, 5, 2, 7, 1, 0. And that forms the basis of the piece because that repeats infinitely. So it's hence a Pisano period. It's periodic and it repeats. So. Underneath the value of phi, which is irrational, so that will go on forever without repeating. But this first section here. And that concludes this episode of The Practicing Practitioner.